Did you really?
Just kidding.
I fucking hate your guts, you piece of shit.
What? What? Wait, what map are we on? Oh my god, I don't like this.
Oregon. Wait, we're not going to the laundry room? Supply room?
Oh my god.
Hello?
This is 4v. Remember, this is 4v5 because Dayhart sucks.
Oh, no. They have a guy on their team that's as bad as Dayhart.
Okay, 4v4 guys. Star, I'm gonna sit next. Star, I'm gonna sit next to you, and don't get next to him.
Wait, what?
Op 4 has located a bomb. Plan your defenses accordingly.
I'm reinforcing up.
Okay.
Don't forget your armor if it's one of you all.
10 seconds left.
You can stop worrying about grenades.
5 seconds and counting.
Reloading.
Op 4 has located a bomb. Get ready to engage.
Construction. They're going tunnel right now. 2 of them going tunnel, 2 of them going tower.
I can't breach. I gotta fucking close off.
One of them's going tower. I'm going tower also. Sure, guys. Watch your stairs.
Loading back.
I don't know. I haven't seen Ash. I think I killed, no. I think I killed Ash.
4 remaining.
Look at this
That's the last one. That's the last one.
He's going tunnel. He's tunnel.
He might go outside. He might go outside.
Yep, he's outside. He's outside. He's gone. Just bolted.
I was outside. I hear him coming from my left.
Diehard dies right here.
5 people,
Dude,
man.
he ran outside and shot one of the 5 guys in the face with a shotgun.
Friendly's victorious.
Dude, look at
Hostiles
him.
eliminated.
He killed Hooked on Phonics.
Boom!
Dude, this is the game that 5 disbands for.
Don't get no. Go street. It's pretty. We'll go in construction. If they don't fucking like go that spawn killing bullshit, then we'll go construction. Tammy, go thermite. Just go thermite.
Yeah, Tammy.
I'll
You
play
just-
I'll play Thermite next round then.
No, I'll
Use your
stay
drone
Ash.
to locate a bomb.
Tammy is not privileged and he's a second-class citizen, so
Whoa.
fuck his black ass.
Whoa. We don't talk about Tammy like that.
No, he blew us up. Fuck that shit.
I wasn't there. I don't know who you're
Yeah,
talking.
he killed
Well, he's a
all of
racist
us,
fuck.
dude.
Excuses, dude.
Drone has located a bomb. Insertion in
Outside.
10 seconds.
Already outside.
Yo, they glitched
Let's
outside.
go construction.
5 seconds. The diffuser has been recovered. Proceed to bombs located.
Yo, let's fuck him up. Fuck him up.
My God. I'm looking at the windows. You're fine.
Wow.
Where did you die from? Oh, no, the window on the bottom. That's just retardation.
Reloading!
He thinks they glitched. What an idiot.
Well, getting outside is a glitch. Early like that.
Oh, yeah. But, well... Yeah.
There's two in the church. Or the meeting hall, whatever.
To your left, to your left, to your left.
Eco, fuck, dude.
He's inside under you.
Where are you, Star? Holy shit, Star. You're like in Africa.
Damn, Star, I need you to bust this fucking door.
I'm coming.
Dude, fuck this shit. No, fuck this shit. I'm not going through that. That's like a world... That's like trying to go down on a hairy chick that didn't shave.
I wish you could hit this Star. Oh.
Where did y'all go in at?
The main
Front door.
entrance.
Okay.
Watch that shit.
I'm here. I'm back up. Back up. Back up.
Blow that motherfucker.
If we're clear, I'm gonna go out on the roof out that window right there.
Do it,
beside
do
your
it, do
lot.
it, do it.
Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
What the fuck is this?
That's always been there. That little where they're doing construction and everything. So these five guys apparently are fucking fag
Mad as
boys.
fuck
They're
right
fag
now.
boys that get outside. So. Wait, isn't this Raven's clan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Raven's a bitch, man.
Is Raven one of them right now?
Yeah, that's one of them.
He's not on the. That's not. I'm saying he's not on the team. Enemy
No,
team
he's
right
on
now,
the team right now. Yeah, that's him.
Which one? Is Craven on there? I can't hit tab right now. On
Oh,
the
it's
screen.
K9. Never mind.
Secure the area. Keep the bombs protected.
He's calling us hackers after you got outside. What the fuck?
Only Diaz.
Oh, he's trolling.
Nah, bro, they're the ones hacking.
Located a bomb.
He ran
Ready
outside
for
while we were
deployment.
on the drones and killed me. Like before we even started the round.
Deploying jammer.
You can stop worrying about grenades now.
10 seconds left. 5 seconds to insertion.
Device.
No idea.
Op 4 has located a bomb. Be ready for hostile action.
Device set.
Anybody got cameras? It's not construction. I'm coming back from my.
They're coming
my arm.
garage. They're coming garage. Die hard. Die hard. They're all there. They're all fucking there.
Barricading door!
Lol.
Op 4, last operator standing.
I got you, Tammy. Tammy, don't
He's in-
die on me, damn it.
I'm dry!
Who is the last guy? What's he playing? Anybody know? Justin, do you know who he was?
Yeah, he come in that little.
Who is he? Who is he?
Twitch, I think.
Okay.
He come in that little door up to the top of the stairs.
I'm gonna laugh when every one of us are here tomorrow.
Jammer ready. Activating jammer.
Tammy,
I got it.
break that door. Break that door. Head. Fine, I'll do it, Jew. Never mind.
Friendly victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
Fucking nothing. They're fucking stupid.
It's a Wednesday. Everything happens on a Tuesday.
And even if it does, it'll. Fairfight said that they were going to take a month or two to do something about hackers. I mean, even
Yeah.
whatever. If they do,
We're gonna be playing. We're not gonna come back till like after we're done farming best gear for Diablo.
We need to locate a bomb.
Dude, once they implement an Overwatch system, that'll be amazing. It's downstairs.
Your drone has found a bomb.
Target located.
10 seconds. 5 seconds to insertion. The diffuser has been recovered. Proceed to bomb's location and defuse it. The diffuser is no longer in
Watch
your
your windows.
possession.
Right here at the door. Another one. Another one.
We got him. Careful for C4 window. Only one of them has C4. Maybe bust a wall or something, Justin?
You have dropped the diffuser.
He lost the diffuser for us, by the way, guys. Yeah, I would have been fucked. Bottom of the stairs. Bottom of the stairs, light.
Yeah, we might need your help too.
He ran. He ran.
Friendly, last
Where did I
operator
stop from?
standing. Bomb has been located.
I was. Yeah, he's back there. He's behind the shelf back there on the left. I don't know where Pulse is though.
I don't know, dude.
How's he what?
Look through the drones. Look through the drones, please.
He's on the left. I can hear him on the left of the shelf. Oh, he's pushing you. One's pushing you. One's pushing you right now. He's on your right in the doorway. Right through the doorway, hugging the right corner down there.
Ooh.
Op
He downed
4
him.
last
Nice.
operator standing.
I can't. All I can see is in B, dude. I don't have any other sight.
I got time, dude. I'm not worried.
Did you get the diffuser? Fuck, no, you didn't. If Pulse is the one that killed that guy, he knows the diffuser's up there and he can just wait it out.
Setting up the charge.
You hear him running.
You see that leg?
He just pulled a heartbeat sensor out. Yeah, I saw his shadow on the wall back there. You hear him crawling around. Do you have a drone left?
I do. I know where he's at.
Oh, C4.
Wow.
We have been eliminated.
Not worried. We're still up.
Dude, this defense round, they're just gonna get destroyed anyway.
Oh, I know.
Like, legitimately, I had a fucking drone above the fucking bomb. I don't understand how they could even call hacks.
Protect the bomb.
Setting from the pack here.
Op 4 has located a bomb. Plan your defenses accordingly.
Call is done!
The only reason I'm logging in tomorrow is strictly for them fuckers.
10 seconds to insertion.
What, to
Down
show
to
me
5
you're still here?
seconds.
Device set.
How many drones
Op
did we
4 has
kill?
located a bomb. Get ready to engage.
I got 2.
I didn't see any.
Device placed.
Construction. All construction.
Device activated. Jammer.
Deploying ADS.
They're in
ADS
that hallway.
deployed
They're in
and
that
ready
hallway.
to
Watching
go.
that. They're in that tunnel. They just blew everything up in that room. They're coming. They're coming
You
hard.
can stop worrying about grenades now.
Can you guys go from behind them in any way?
A drone
Staircase.
just saw me.
Staircase. Eco, go staircase if you can.
I know there's a drone that just come in here and spotted me.
Fuck this, I'm going up. I'm going up.
Coming from the main entrance, podium. That way.
Eco, that door, that doorway.
Come on, I lit him.
Wow, he's cheating.
Ash is down here on me, guys.
Okay, you have 2 coming. One on your left.
One friendly remaining.
What? Did he shoot you through a wall?
I mean, it's possible. That's. I would spam that spot maybe.
No, you wouldn't. No, you wouldn't. In a situation like that where you know they're there, I'm calling bullshit, dude.
Mission critical. Bomb diffuser activated.
And he's got a laser pointer. This kid's got a laser pointer. It makes
Another
it.
location. Protect the bomb.
That.
Disable the diffuser.
Oh god, that was.
Dude,
that
you
was-
said something.
All friendlies have been
Wouldn't that have been
neutralized.
funny?
What?
They're bad kids better than their teammates.
Alright, let's just smash this one out and get it.
Now remember, these faggots like to get outside, so. Dude, Star, don't fucking wait. I'm gonna get right next to you and we're gonna go fucking do this shit.
Need to use your drone to locate a bomb.
Basement, basement.
Your drone has found a bomb.
They're putting murder holes in between the bomb sites.
We're gonna go in from the top. Oh, no one's thermite. Oh my god. This is gonna be rough.
Drone has located
Bruh.
a bomb.
That gun, no way. Laundry room.
Yeah, they reinforced one of the main laundry facilities.
Insertion in 10 seconds.
Oh, Star is
And the one there.
This is the same spot I spotted him from last
Insertion
time.
in 5 seconds. The diffuser has been recovered. You found a bomb. Make your way to its location and defuse it. You have dropped the diffuser.
I can almost guarantee they're watching that garage. Oh my god. Shoot that through.
There's one in there, Justin.
What? Where? I gotta. Where?
I just got shot through the fucking wall.
Yeah, me too.
You must recover the diffuser.
Kodiak's cheating.
Yeah, these kids toggled on.
Cover me, reloading.
I literally. What the fuck? I want kill cam so bad.
Why is this Dayheart kid alive still?
Is he slow pushing?
Right there, in that room.
You're coming
That
right
room
behind
down
one,
below.
Dayheart.
There no one's upstairs.
Alright.
Friendly, last operator standing.
He's gonna die right here.
Fuck.
These
He
kids
has been
toggled on like
eliminated.
so hard. Like I literally
Oh,
got
yeah.
shot through. Did you watch me get shot through that wall, Justin, behind you?
No, not really.
Whenever you were pushing the garage door over there, and you were beating on the wall, he shot me 2 times through the wall beside you.
Let's go somewhere else. Let's go, kids' dorms.
There's only one other one that we can go to that's viable. The other 2 are absolute dog shit.
I want to spawn kill him. I really want to spawn kill him.
Protect the bombs.
Pass those plates around.
I hate this fucking armor shit.
Deploying ADS.
Camera ready to activate. Camera ready.
They probably think we're on the bottom floor. Yeah, they do. They think we're on the first floor.
5 seconds and counting.
ADS deployed and ready to go.
Bomb locations are secure.
Device placed.
You can stop worrying about grenades now. ADS deployed and ready
He's
to go.
cheating! He's cheating! I just fucking pulled that shit.
Deploying ADS.
Go Dayhart.
What?
I'm so done with this game, dude. I hate this fucking game. Down the hall. Dayhart's gonna die.
Laser. Oh fuck! He got my feet through the wall. Fucking.
Starry's coming from the basement on the stairs. He's right under you.
His health is real low.
Drone's coming.
They're coming now. Don't look. Don't. Oh my god.
Friendly, last operator standing.
I never should have looked for the fucking drone. I knew I was gonna fucking block it.
I don't know if the drone was dead.
Yeah,
Except we're in there.
I know because I thought he might have jumped over it. Reloading.
Same wall. Tammy, same wall. Both of them there. Both of them. They're watching that wall like a hawk. So switch something.
I'm just making
One
push
went to the next room. He went outside, I think. No, he's still in that room. Yeah. Yeah, right where you killed that one guy.
Same place you killed that guy.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
All
Cody had
friendlies
killed
were
every
eliminated.
he aced us.
Mission failure.
He's not even good.
Tammy. Okay.
We need to locate a bomb. Your drone has found a bomb.
They're not down here, by the way. No, the bombs are down here. They're not.
10
I don't
seconds
hear
before
anybody.
insertion. 5 seconds.
They're literally gonna window camp. They're literally all, I bet, window camping right now.
The diffuser has been secured. You've located a bomb. Make your way to its location and defuse it.
Yeah, outside.
Outside.
Okay, watch every window. They can pop you from almost every window. Just be aware.
Dude, they didn't reinforce anything. We could probably get down here and fucking plant this shit.
They're
Just
gonna be
do
on
it.
stairs.
Just do it. Just
They're
do
gonna
it.
be
Just
on
do it.
stairs.
I've been spotted.
Kodiak's watching that shit. Kodiak. Put your shield up now.
Right here. Yeah, just fucking plant it.
Lights, you got it.
Where?
It's
You've got-
plant the
no,
bomb, dude.
You've got the bomb.
They're in the
It's coming
barn
to
house.
Main door. Going in the B.
Diffuser is active. Protect it
God
at all
damn it! I
costs.
told you the main fucking door. He's killing the entire team.
The diffuser has been destroyed.
It's all good.
Diffuser was disabled. Mission failed.
Is there a way to turn off chat in this game? Okay.